What's up guys, it's Blake here. Thank you for coming back for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the brand new car on the channel. It's my new car replacement. I used to have the BMW 335i, the E93. That car has gone. I've been gone a while, a little bit of an update. I sold the vehicle probably about a year ago, and I've been having a daily run around just for getting myself to work and stuff. Just for you guys that don't know, I do have a full-time job, so doing YouTube is a part-time thing. What I'm going to do is show you around the new car, understand why I've gone for it, maybe give you a little bit of an insight to my plans. So stick around to the end because I'm going to go over what I'm going to do with the car. Let's get into it. A BMW 140i, obviously. Thing is, a lot of people are going to be like, oh, why'd you get a 140? Why didn't you get an M2?
Nope.
Why didn't you get an M4?
Nope.
Why did you get an M3?
Nope.
At the end of the day, right, three of my friends, I think, I could just name three off the top of my head, they've all got M cars. I wanted something different. Something that I know can be capable, with obviously a lot of money obviously put into the car, but I wanted it to be capable. The B58 is obviously a very well renowned car for being extremely capable. So from standard, these vehicles have 340 horsepower. They do tend to map up extremely well. Just a stage one, you're talking 420 horsepower, and obviously in a small car like this, it really is going to be a very, very quick car. Things that I'll obviously need to improve, things like the suspension, springs, dampening. There's lots of other things on these vehicles that you can do to try and keep them up with M cars, but they're called an M Light for a reason. My particular one has got the BMW limited slip diff installed on the vehicle. This vehicle is completely stock apart from the M Performance limited slip differential. If anybody knows anything about these vehicles, the limited slip diff is obviously one of the most important things that they say can improve these vehicles. So when I seen this, I thought it was a no-brainer, because not only is it a 3-door, which is what I wanted, it's a shallow edition, it's low mileage, and it's got the BMW limited slip diff. Other than that, it's completely stock.
For now.
So moving inside the vehicle, automatic, Pro navigation, has to have the ProNAV. All the other ones that have the small screen, I just really ain't a fan of it. So having a ProNAV was definitely important to me to have. Coming from a manual BMW 335i, to be honest, it felt heavy, it felt clunky, it felt like a boat. This thing feels a lot better. Honestly, I can't explain how happy I am with this car. It's such a nice car to drive compared to what I've had before. Now, the M54 was obviously an extremely good sounding engine. It's very capable as well. And I think going from an M54 to a B58 is just going to be natural progression. I love BMW as a brand. But yeah, the B58 definitely has some serious potential, and they don't sound as good as the M54, but they're capable. They're extremely capable cars. And the plan is Nürburgring trips and maybe a few track days. So, plan is gonna do a few little mods to start off with. Things like, well, in fact, I'll show you in another video. The next video that you'll see, I'm gonna do a few little mods to the exterior of the vehicle. Nothing crazy. There's a few things that I've also got to put on the car. A little bit body wise, you know, splitters and all that kind of stuff. That stuff's going to be coming, so keep an eye out on that. But yeah, this is just a little introduction video to the new car. Seriously impressed so far.